Kendat kansan ka por kharwai steng amen step chung arphoi trek rumpang archar option katba ka Thep boat wapung score polling station A but B kabadai lang haju nagbanta ki kanthai bat shinrang nagbanta ban JMDC Shillong Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC na musnyang rangat constituency kadangya chikman lawan shi kunhun ki brio blatham ka bor bat Pynpra electronic voting machine bat ikitiar kitar hagani ke Jaka kini ki brio gila thom bor shwai ke Jaka Thep boat ki shinrang bat maridap ki thom se ke Jaka Thep boat ki kanthai ki bor Pynpra district East Shillong Hills nadu Shivansh Awasthi deputy commissioner Ukiri Prasad, Superintendent of Police, bat kakong Chakwilin Kharpuri, Additional Deputy Commissioner, kila Her Mardor Shikategi Jaka, hakabala pensange Ïakajia Thep boat, hakategi polling station. Kat kum kakong Chakwilin kalaong, pangladon kechingi kanat bamalu mala, yakabala laban penbej, haswa kategi cingwan Pynpra kikor EVM, bat kikot kisla. Kalaong baki brieg buwan Pynpra, omla asatiaban Ithuh Durkhmat, batang ki bana Shillong hi ki bala le si ban Ithuh iki wala kadon ke cing subajur baga de cing kan art ki seng sanyima ki ba penyang kertong nak de constituency penban ki bor Pynpra district kimtre ban pensyai lor kani na kani constituency ki don sangut ki kertong ki ba aireng ba konthop ba brosen sengshai ka congress uba damewan hi el rembai ka VPP uba pasman khar ka NPP uba shanbor rembai ka BJP berba waila dameshwa sengshai ka UDP.
So that one and no activities or anything. Okay. So there's no problem. Give us information on this. But something has to be written also. That you are making this decision that you want election to be connected. So can you attend the meeting and inform us?
You go for one round. Yeah.
He has an officer in Thep.
Kani ka polling station jong ka wapung skur E bakadai jong kishenrang bat B pada kadai jong ki kenthai te hakani pada baro ayat bet men step di kamdon ni ai kadon ka jing Ithuh bakla men step kendiat layak penbet te kalayat bet baro te hadu khatwai apau kalayat bet ka kam baro nrei hadin pada kumtu hakapor khatwai lai kusan tinggi yok nak report bakal don kata kacing wan jom kita kibriu kibam Durkhmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam na kaliang presiding buat ki polling team jom presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti Durkhmat kisuan kisu le force entry nang ta kisu penpat penpralut yaki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya kai ka kam penle election te ha kaju kapor hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada kilet sahapo sakita kiwei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada kisdang sakitaru kilet ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat nut ya kitiar EVM kibamla Durkhmat ti habaki nakliang jung kisnong ru kila penjai-jai yaki tang ba mla ban Durkhmat kisuan kirung bet ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei baro men step kalang kalaya jai bah karukomlong jongka jing Thep vote te kensan ha kita ki porhi kisu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban Durkhmat weiru ki ong babun bamla ban Durkhmat te ngi nang hab banwat jing Thep ya kata dem ki klam cover tamap ki priu ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim Ithuh ya ki kim Thep ya ki dei national ne kim dei ru Thep okay ti stang ki snong hi ki laban pek mi kata nai nakaliang jong ki polling team jong ni ki ong nim Ithuh ki dei na eiru kim ong badai na eiru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki surung bet forcefully surung bet ki supen surung ki suwan penpat bet.
So we received information around 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received the information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kata ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.